So hey guys, what's up? This is Rohit Bhatia. Welcome back to my channel. We are in the middle of May and the list of 5 best Android apps is also here. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first app I have for you is a Orange Teal. From the name you can guess what it is all about. Guys, it's a photo editor app. As we all know, orange and teal are the best color combination to make your photo looks more interesting. This app is based on the concept of orange and teal color, but there are also many filters available. You can apply this color filter to any of your photo to make it look professional. Here we have option to upload a picture from the gallery. Then from the slider you can apply the filter. Also, you can change the filter by swiping left or right on the photo. Also, we have few advanced features like saturation, highlight and shadow. Second app is Volume Style. This app lets you customize the volume bar style which appear when we click volume up or volume down button. You can start or stop this app anytime. There are lots of style available which you can apply. Personally, I like the wave style. It's really give an awesome look to the volume bar. You can even make few tweaks to the selected style, and there are lots of other features or settings which are paid. Third app is Black Art. If you are a person who like black color and black wallpaper as well, then this app is for you. This is a wallpaper app which contain only the wallpaper having black background. Interface is quite clean and simple. There are lots of categories to choose from. Also, you can check the trending and new wallpapers. The one best feature of this app is Auto Wallpaper Changer. You can set the timer after you want app to change the wallpaper automatically. Fourth app is for car lover. I personally like this app the most. Its name is Cartomizer. If you have a car and you are so much into modifying it and planning to change its alloy wheel, then you can just click the picture of your car and this app will automatically show all types of alloy wheel on your car. Apart from their given alloy wheel, you can also upload your own alloy wheel image to see how it will gonna look on your car. Guys, this app is so amazing. Last app is Who Touched My Phone. It's a security app. This app lets you catch the person who tries to unlock your phone. The way its work is so amazing. Let's turn it on. It will ask some permission which I already allowed it. So guys, whenever any person tries to unlock your phone, it will silently capture their image from the front camera without knowing them and save it to the app. Also, it will record the apps and activity which person will do after opening your phone. So guys, this was the top 5 Android apps of month May. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the instant notification of our upcoming videos. Guys, stay safe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.